Originally, this video was going to be about first impressions and a trip around ClickFunnels, but halfway through the video, I decided that I wanted to show you how you could make money with ClickFunnels. And in fact, this video should be the perfect opportunity for you to get started making money online. A lot of people tell me that everything is too saturated, you can't make money online, but I'm here to tell you that there are new opportunities every single day. In this video, toward the end, I rant about it. I apologize in advance, but stop using the excuse that everything's too saturated and you can't make money online. So watch this video to learn a little bit about ClickFunnels. I'll keep that part in, but more importantly, learn how you can make money with this brand new opportunity that thousands of people are going to be starting now. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. And if you want to be added to that globe, just simply comment with your city, state, province, or country, and I'll get a pin on that globe for you. So let's go ahead and talk about it. ClickFunnels 2.0 was released, beta tested over the last week or so. A lot of well-known gurus, people with huge email lists have sent out emails telling people to get started with the first funnel challenge, and included in the first funnel challenge is ClickFunnels 2.0. They've also included massive bonuses. People are including masterminds worth $10,000 and unique trainings that they've never offered anywhere before, free funnels, all this sort of stuff just to get you hooked on ClickFunnels. And what we're going to do right now, in fact, is we're just going to take a quick look around. The first interesting thing, if you look at my screen here, I've got ClickFunnels 2.0 set up. I haven't built out any funnels or anything, but I just wanted to make this video so that you can take a look for yourself before deciding if you want to jump on the bandwagon. The first thing that I thought was really curious to me when it came to ClickFunnels 2.0 is that they wanted you to build a website or a blog. You had to select a theme. So if we look at this, I'm just going to preview and I just click one just to get started. But the reason why this was really curious to me is ClickFunnels 1.0 was deemed the website killer, the blog killer. Traditional websites were dead according to Russell Brunson, but in ClickFunnels 2.0, it's not dead. It's what you need to get up and running. So I thought that was really curious and really interesting. You could not move forward until you created and got a theme up and running. So just know that when you get started, you will be forced to create a website of some sort. Now, I haven't done anything with the website. If we look at it, you can see I've done absolutely nothing with it, but I thought that was interesting. I think more importantly, I think there's a real opportunity to make a lot of money with ClickFunnels. And I think the opportunity is by simply helping people get started with ClickFunnels. Now, whenever there is a new product out, especially with a new product that has an incredible launch, people are going to be asking basic questions about ClickFunnels. They want to know ClickFunnels 2.0. They want to know if they can do something before they make the switch. And so what people are going to do, and I come back over to YouTube, people are going to be asking who, what, when, where, why, how questions about ClickFunnels 2.0. They're going to be doing comparisons, ClickFunnels 2.0 versus maybe Teachable or Kajabi. And just to show you, I'm just going to use the regular ClickFunnels here. So we'll do ClickFunnels versus, and you can see people are asking ClickFunnels versus all of these different competitors. What you should do if you want to make money online, and you can do this with a YouTube channel, you could probably even do this with TikTok or start a blog, you could do ClickFunnels 2.0 versus System.io. Literally nobody's going to be, no one's going to have that type of content out yet. But if you are the first to market with it, you are going to get thousands of views. People are going to be asking ClickFunnels 2.0 versus ClickFunnels. What's the difference? And this is your opportunity to make money. Whoops. I spelled ClickFunnels wrong, but we'll get that right. ClickFunnels like this. All right. ClickFunnels 2.0 versus ClickFunnels 1.0. You can see here, 192 views from 6 days ago. That question is only going to increase. Is the new ClickFunnels 2.0, that's kind of redundant, is it worth it? This person, Peter, is basically going to tell you it's worth it, and he's going to be offering you a bunch of different bonuses. Your opportunity right now may not be in ClickFunnels. It's in ClickFunnels 2.0. People are going to be asking how to create a course, C-O-U-R, course in ClickFunnels 2.0. I guarantee you there will be thousands if not hundreds of thousands of views. But if we look at this ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial and step-by-step complete walkthrough, 1.6 thousand views from just nine days ago. ClickFunnels 2.0 tutorial for beginners, 11,000 views. He only has 4,000 subscribers. So right now, your opportunity is to create content about ClickFunnels 2.0. And the easiest way to do this, and I'm going to show you this, I probably shouldn't do this. I should probably just keep this for myself. But the easiest way to do it is to go over to a website like answerthepublic.com and just type in ClickFunnels. Now, the better way to do this would be to use a paid software like Ahrefs. So I'm just going to do ClickFunnels, funnels like this, ClickFunnels like that. The better way to do this would be to use Ahrefs and find every single question that people are asking and just create a ton of content. Now look at this. So people are going to be asking, okay, this is already showing up in search results. When is ClickFunnels 2.0 coming out? When will ClickFunnels 2.0 be available? But people are going to ask questions like how to create a course, how to sell a digital product. If we go back over to YouTube, we could type in something like how to underscore in ClickFunnels, or just do ClickFunnels like this. And instead of just talking about ClickFunnels, add ClickFunnels 2.0 and you can make a bunch of money. And you're going to make a bunch of money in a bunch of different ways, okay? The first way and obvious way is with the YouTube partner program, okay? Once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you'll be able to get monetized. You also make money with being an affiliate for ClickFunnels. And let me just show you how I know this will work. I'm going to go to one of my YouTube channels, Sales Funnels Made Easy, okay? And if we look at this, I only have 1.3 thousand subscribers, tiny channel. But if we look at my videos and we look at my most popular video, you're going to see, look at this, where to put Facebook Pixel in ClickFunnels 2001. You could change this to where to put Facebook Pixel in ClickFunnels 2.0. Look at this. This has 5.8 thousand views, 5.8 thousand views, 2.5 thousand views, 2.3 thousand views. You could go find a channel that has spent years talking about ClickFunnels and just do ClickFunnels 2.0 and you can make a bunch of money, okay? The reason why you're going to make a bunch of money is you are going to be the first to the market with this content, or one of the first to the market. The ClickFunnels versus is kind of saturated. You can see I only had 171 views, but if you do ClickFunnels 2.0 versus Shopify, you are going to get traffic not only now, but going forward, because people are going to be looking up information about ClickFunnels 2.0 before they buy it. All right. So remember, the gurus, the people that have a huge mailing list, they have gone out and emailed their subscribers. Believe me, I've gotten probably 10 emails about starting ClickFunnels 2.0 and the sales, my first funnel challenge, whatever it's called. And so you can take advantage of that traffic that people are interested in, and you can make money. You can monetize it. You simply just create content about ClickFunnels 2.0. You become an affiliate for ClickFunnels 2.0. You put your affiliate links in there and you will see a very good amount of money. And I can almost guarantee it, because that's how a lot of these guys first made their money. A guy like Spencer Meacham, he'll tell you all the time, he made his first like 100K with ClickFunnels because he was one of the first to the market creating content about ClickFunnels. Now, this video initially was going to be about first impressions, but we're talking about how you can make money with this new opportunity, and I need to change the intro. So I'll go ahead and do that. But in my opinion, right now, this is where you want to be. If you're looking for a brand new opportunity, one of the things I hear all the time is Alston, everything's saturated. There's no opportunity. You can't make money online with affiliate marketing. This is your opportunity. Okay? New opportunities come online every single day. And if you wanted to make money online, you would start creating content about ClickFunnels 2.0. If you don't want to make money online, if you want to sit and complain about everything saturated and you can't make money online and it's just too hard, you're lying to yourself. You've used that smokescreen to tell yourself that you can't make money online. Because I guarantee you, if you go out and you just create content about ClickFunnels 2.0, two things are going to happen. One, you're going to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. You're going to get 4,000 watch hours. And then people are going to click on your ClickFunnels 2.0 affiliate link. Also, what you can do is you could also build out funnels for them so that they can get up and running fast, okay? So don't complain about you can't make money online, because I guarantee you can if you are willing to take a look at the different opportunities. Okay, now that you see that there is opportunity with Clickfunnels 2.0, watch this video next to learn how you can get started with affiliate marketing.